Hi, my name is Sharon. I've been coming to Dr. Jodie for a burning mouth condition. I have gone from excruciating pain and 12 painkillers a day to no painkillers during the day and just a little discomfort, which is really manageable. And for that, I have to thank him. I mean, he has given me my life back. I can talk again. I can go out and function and be part of, dinner conversations. I was having so much trouble talking before, and I was just in so much pain. I don't have to rest during the day. I don't have to do anything during the day. I'm just pretty much back to normal. I do have a little discomfort, but I can easily live with that. It's just a total miracle. And this time, I had an added malady. I had a bulging disc. And so as bad as my burning mouth was, the disc really makes you immobile. And I've been dealing with it for 2 months. And as my first chance I came out to see Dr. Jodie. And in 4 days, I'm walking faster than I probably ever have in my life. And I, have my back. I mean, I still have a little ways to go in the healing process. But I came in walking very slowly. Now I can walk very fast, big strides. For the first 2 months, I was pulling my leg along. So it's a marked improvement. My back feels strong. I can sit. I can stand. I can walk. And for that, I have to thank him. It's like the second time he's given my life back. So, I mean, to me, he is just incredible. His knowledge is unbelievable. I just don't even know how he knows what to do next, but he always does. And I'm a much healthier person. I'm eating right. I didn't always have the best eating habits. Now I eat a lot of vegetables. I drink a lot of water. I'm sure I'm the healthiest I've been in probably 45 years, and I'm 68. So once I have my back and I have my voice back, friends who haven't seen me for a year can totally notice the difference. I started to gain weight. I was down to 100 pounds. I'm now up to 108. He's even got a potion, I guess you'd call it, that I'm using on my hair. So I have new hair growth. So all in all, I'm sure, I'm sure that I am so much a better person. I'm sure that this will, keep me healthy the rest of my life. I'm going to try to adhere to what he says, but mainly I know that he has given me my life back from the burning mouth. And now I know a lot of people have back problems, but this is such a good way to take care of it rather than doing what most people do. If they only knew about Dr. Jodie and what he can do for your back, I think so many more people would do this. It's such an incredible option. And it just, I'm looking forward to the next month. I'm looking forward to being able to hike and bike and do everything again. And I know that I'm on the path now. I had a ruptured disc 30 years ago and had not had any problem with it. But then all of a sudden, I was sitting at a Cher concert of all things, and here came this excruciating pain in my buttocks, I guess is what you'd call it. And I was in bed for 2 weeks. I wasn't even strong enough to get out to see Dr. Jodie. I live in Kansas City, and of course he's in Palm Springs. I did, in desperation, go to see a chiropractor. And I will say that whatever they did gave me some relief. I was able to start walking at least. So I went to see her about 3 times in a week. And that did make a difference. I was able to start walking. But I was still walking really slow, sometimes pulling my legs, sometimes unable to walk. I continued in that vein for a while. I did finally get to a doctor's clinic that did finally diagnose it as a bulging disc because everybody else thought it wasn't, and it was a muscle. And he did suggest I go to physical therapy, and I did go to physical therapy. I didn't do most of what they told me because I was afraid it would be detrimental. I do have to watch my mouth condition. But I did try one extension exercise. That seemed to help a little bit. It was slow. I did it twice a day. Every day I seem to get stronger, but that's been 4 weeks. And here, in 4 short days, my stride is incredible, my walk is strong, My back feels strong. I'm sitting in a regular chair. I couldn't have sat in that, it's soft, and I couldn't have done this a week ago. So I'm very thankful. I mean, this is monumental. I came here in 4 days and I'm like a different person. So I don't think people can realize the difference that it can make to come to somebody like Dr. Jodie and his clinic, and what can happen to you in 4 or 5 days. It can totally change your life. I think you have to be sick to really understand what a difference it makes in your life. And for somebody to be so knowledgeable and to be able to help you as much as he helps not only me, but everybody else that I see who's here for whatever situation they have, it's just totally amazing. His care and his nurturing and his confidence in what he's doing, and the results are just amazing. Everybody here, Dr. Tina as well as Dr. Jodie, are so kind, and I just love coming. It just makes me feel good to be here. So, most people don't look forward to coming to the doctor, and I do. I'm so excited to get here because I know I'm going to be better when I leave.